Yep. No.
What's the tracer wire from?
Us.
They want flower pots on these.
It's too bad. Starting my video right now. I am at unit I7, entering through a 3-inch clean out right off of the side door. We made connection downstream of this clean out. Everything appeared to be ABS. I think I'm going backwards. Let me work on this a little bit. There we go. Uh-oh. Freaking 3-inch cleanouts. There we go. Okay. Here's our connection into 4-inch 3034. That was the connection for unit R8. I will pause the video and catch that after this. And here we are at the concrete transition at the main. I'm going to pause, or I'm going to zero this out and we'll count the footage on the reverse pole. Okay, let's mark this connection. That's new ABS right there, a new stub of ABS. Let's mark this connection at 43 feet of repaired pipe. I'm going to pause this video and catch unit I8. Here we are at unit I8, 4-inch clean out. There's a 3-inch service connection right next to it. I don't know if you can see that right here. Reference, there's I7. We made connection just downstream of this 4-inch clean out. Everything appeared to be ABS. Here we are at our first connection joint, right, where are you? Oh, it's back here. There's brand new glue right there. So we'll start our footage count right there. And we'll call this 10 feet of pipe. This will conclude the video. Thank you for watching.